Yeah,
but yanka code once him. Time offer kin sack. As a kin, me here wahano. Minim say would trust in to change direction of the befa. But Odiba na say or no can ask him be no addressing in Simbino. We are now imposing him because
to be very honest with you, in the beginning, guys say me a very honest person. Me na me or cinema. I mean, I was like, yo, I remember very well. I mean, I met my child in the crowd chat. You guys say, yo, Mike, aside all the jokes with the joke, you know, with the rap, wow, like the flow is crazy. Like my dream was that, oh, he did better than me or whatever it is. I just like the fact say he
did it out of his love. He was
shining out of love. And I mean, DBI me saying you mad. The next day, no I. Like me saying you know, Zach is one of the people where if you send him songs out, who's in the schedules are very tight.
Yeah.
But Enyumbia from Tonga to Padis to Sisia, me sending the paper.
I responded to you quick.
Yeah, so and you all know the relationship I have with him too.
Very tight.
Make a channel say, yo, this is awesome. I haven't heard you like this in a long time. The flow is crazy. You drop it and I feel me who's a YouTube comments. I'm fucking can't. Mo bob go for be thing and did say it me pisa only pass what they go on see on no crap or fail on no so because I think we're paying attention to more of like the flows. The flow I did I was like I mean it sucks in a long time. So now me go tell me say oh okay maybe one come say he wanted to like you know so he's not a social media person
he is just that he wouldn't address some things there.
And I make us say, person need to like vent,
vent on social media.
So I think that's how he felt.
But did you like it from scratch, knowing that Sack flow? Yes, he's done all the best of flows, but he addressed an issue with the verse. Did you like it from scratch?
Later, me finding out that this is what it's too late. What can I do? There's nothing. I can't meet me deleting free social. Meet me yesterday and. I'm sure say other parties will also think say
you supported
my example. Shut up me feeling me penasempa. Do you know why? Because on stables. So originally, right, it was I wanted to do like a part 2 of stables with sarkodie.
Okay.
Then I'm more Italy. Then more Germany. Me yet small Toby war. And me share and you may pay a friend is saying, what be that with the freestyle you do? Advice.
Okay.
Me share on this app. Me mention say wow. Say you know, hey Charlie, Joey, sarkodie body. I was like until just before me kwako check in me who Mike message your top and say, yo, I owe you a verse. Say any idea la familiar. I owe you a verse. I didn't understand that. And I make share advice, no. And I'm saying wow. I didn't like say one can't share me. Because that wasn't the ulterior motive behind like what he put out. I sent him the beat so on fine like you know
on BB.
On fine stables.
Okay, on fine stables. Okay.
I didn't know that I know, but then again, BB Shanakumasi he wanted to do
so
it.
The clay.
So I understood it's okay. But now it's all catching me. But I don't know, you tell me very honest. If you're I'm gonna say no, Mike, you have to tell me, but it's okay. Because right now you put me in a position where shout out to things that
are you part of the scheme?
Are you part of me? No. Yes, I mean you be a me.
So in this case, are you telling us that if you had known, say, Sack was addressing this issue, you would have advised against that?
So no, because person will be bedroom say me know why one and but later on who it's too late. What can I do? There's nothing I can do about it. But all in all, I don't think say he said anything too
dirty
or two or no.
He only addressed the issue.
So come on, say no one to make you see be a mystery. You don't deserve the back and forth. I think it's somehow positive.
Yeah.
Because you know, me have for advice and say, Obi can
But can we also say and admit that that line, that controversial line, because of what it came to do, also added up to the quick numbers of that song and its video?
People love controversy. People really, really love that. But aside that, Zenimnisi is very, very dope. Like it's short and dope. But people also then all kind of then all kind of you could see her say if it's why you
because that part of that portion of the video was also cut for promotional purposes and I'm out for here
you say na media for no I jump was so more JH Kwekumu say omunya sade we JH Kwekumu no e for chapa onya nam say di ajai no team to say na ko no tips, no, but I really respect him though. He's really
so later, did you reach Sack that hey or new auntie when an hour did you reach out to him like that?
The following day, it was me what you call it rehearsal or sound check for Rapaholic,
yeah.
And our family doing say I'm like when now because I was do fro also fro Charlie sound check them say oh seriously like what were you so I can't be actually me. I was just saying. I was just doing me. That's all. I'm saying, hey, Mike, what the hell? I need trust. It's not. I don't think me personally. I don't think that what can be crazy. It's not like I'm siding with him, but he just really said, "Say yo, Mati the air no, but." Me be Charles. Me lobster.
Let's get cold once again.
What I say?
Real communication here with Joey B. Interesting conversation. When we come,
just a few and more distribution deals near there. Just a few.
And even label supporting them.
Yes. Just a few. Permit me to say be out of 10. Maybe a 3 pen or more.
Full support behind them.
But trust me, videos here
will be an independent job.
So we need that kind of support system. So I take it so your crafts there. So I buy in some different way. Yeah, make us no. You know, we need more people like that. But I say, yeah, it do maybe not say here because Sammy too is very industrial. He knows. He's been here for some time, you know, in the ins and outs.
No,
boy, madam for power. This is not relaxing. Yes.
Are they not relaxing?
Boy, was my life. Was my life in many ways, in many. Boy, me so much. But I know.
His musical days, I guess.
I call a spade a spade. I'm a very objective person. We need that change. It's a boy conversation in there.
How about Krakumante?
Hey, I know so. Oh, I'm a godfather, pa. But let's find somebody. Or more or teach man I say teach man I say pa. But you be so or young kakra or like no so
break it boundaries.
The reason why I make us say papa down for crampo. I should be saying say, oh, when you're finding you, but no, we need somebody so name the echo so asad now. Like we share saying as say real sana or no so ideas a bit me about industry. What you say? So that's just me,
your opinion.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Adam, I'm sure we can close.
What do you make of the Kumerica? You know, the kind of songs like they do. Some kind of songs which are synonymous to what you do. You know, are we going to see you getting into that space so that since you also do that crop of songs, you can do something?
Okay.
Me no be any problem. Me in my heart, they are bigger than me right now. I have a thing where it's yeah now so at the same time me now for and I will be out I just like to see say will be high sana me tie me I don't mind me push you wa make it say now so we can say now was say no any problem no
good point. Good point. I like this.
But me America boys I love it when I see my friends succeed. Me pesad into boys there.
Thank you, Joey. So this year they are better friends, I guess.
So see in breach.
No, that be any breach. Yeah, word.
Okay, this is
yeah, show no say president. president no yet na radio so cause yem breach ya nya
there
enti cause ye be ye show
no tactic tactical
there was video evidence
very tactical
no president say ye show no open space ye share nose mask social distancing no keke ne be
but honestly say me ya me person me no in the way say it's not even about me. I want to put the whole industry together. Like if you are like Ghana Fest.
Okay.
Like Ubia, it's not just about yes. So it's not just about Joey B. No.
Yes.
Yes.
Joey, thank you so much.
Thank you too much for having me.
Thank you so much.